Now, how does the client really communicate to the Hadoop system? In real life, we will have client. A client can be application or a web service or an utility that talks to Hadoop. Client's entry point to submit a job is job tracker or to write a file as a name node, right? As we know in the cluster, there is a job tracker, task tracker, name node, and data node. Now, whenever client wants to do an operation into the Hadoop core, it needs to talk either job tracker or a name node, right? It will talk to name node for what are the operation pertaining to IO or storage. And if it is operation pertaining to execution to a job or a query or a computing or a processing, then client talks to job tracker. So when client submit the job to the job tracker, it usually talks to job tracker using a URL. This URL is configured in configuration file by the Hadoop administrator. When it talks to job tracker via URL, the job gets submitted as if it is web query. It will be a GET or a POST, whatever method or some sort of REST services can run. Now once the job comes to job tracker, we have seen that the job tracker will first try to talk to name node. Will get back the response from the name node. And then we'll try and schedule the task tracker, and then task tracker will talk to data node because data actually resides on data node. So task tracker will talk to data node, and data node will actually access the file through the pipe and then will respond to the task tracker. Task tracker will perform the operations, and once operations performed for any file system related things, task tracker will again inform back the job tracker. Job tracker will say to the name node that it is done reading the pipe. So job tracker will inform the name node. So name node can close the pipe. And then job tracker will get back to the client with a response. This is the flow of execution a job in the Hadoop system. Okay.